Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Valve Index VR kit. We'll start by looking at what comes in the box, which is the headset, 2 advanced controllers, and 2 base stations for precise tracking. This kit is designed for those seeking a high-fidelity virtual reality experience, demanding a powerful personal computer to unlock its full potential. Understanding these components is key to appreciating its capabilities before you begin your VR journey. The Valve Index headset delivers stunning visuals and audio. Its dual liquid crystal displays offer a crisp resolution of 1440 by 1600 pixels per eye. You'll experience incredibly smooth motion with refresh rates up to 144 Hz, and a wide 130-degree field of view pulls you deeper into virtual worlds. Plus, the integrated off-ear speakers provide rich, immersive spatial audio. The innovative Knuckles controllers are a highlight, offering individual finger tracking for incredibly natural and intuitive interactions within virtual environments. They fit securely with adjustable straps, allowing you to relax your grip. Paired with 2 Steam VR base stations, the system achieves sub-millimeter tracking accuracy across a substantial play area, supporting spaces up to 10 by 10 meters. This precision ensures your movements are faithfully translated into the virtual world. Comfort is paramount, and the Valve Index headset features extensive adjustability and plush padding for extended play sessions. To truly appreciate its high refresh rates and resolution, a powerful personal computer is absolutely essential. This kit offers a top-tier virtual reality experience, making it a significant investment for serious enthusiasts. Weigh the premium features against the cost to decide if this high-end system is right for your immersive gaming needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.